Hey, welcome to GiveMeApps, your app mall, the #1 independent app store. Today we're checking out Smart Rock Identifier. This is by Kaushik Rajan. This is with the iPad, the iOS platform, iPhone, and the iPad. With this app, if you ever wanted to know if the rocks in your backyard or in your collection are worth anything, well, this AI-assisted app will help you do just that. You can scan a rock anywhere, anytime, at any hour. That would be any time. To figure out whether the rock is worth something, or just to figure out what type of rock it is. If you are a science nerd, if you are a geological aficionado, well, this app will help you. It'll be a tool in your toolkit to identify rocks. And again, it uses AI. It's AI backed. And we've tested it out. It works pretty much every time. Because we're in the studio right now, we're going to be using this via scanning photos that we have in our photo library. But of course, you can use the app to take pictures on the fly. If you're in your backyard, if you're on the beach somewhere, if you are on a hike, well, you can pull out this app and get to work. We're going to take a look here. Take a look at the main screen. This is the main affair. We're going to bring this close to the camera so you can see it. We're going to zoom on in and focus in so you can see it better. If you are a premium member, you get unlimited scans. That's what you're looking at right here. And you have a 3-day trial for free, so do take advantage of that. You have your scan rock icon here, or tab. If you tap on that, you can begin scanning your rocks. You have your gallery. You can keep a gallery of rocks or gems that you've scanned. And of course, we say gem, meaning gemstone. And down here, you have your discovery map. You can start your geological journal or your geology journal. So wherever you go, you have a journal of where you've been, where you've traveled to. You can see down here in my rock collection, as you're scanning rocks, they do get added to your collection. So again, we've zoomed in here. And as you can see, if we bring our device closer to our desk, you can see that the interface is very simple. It's very straightforward. It is not hard to get around. Now we're going to focus our ring here so you can see that better. That should be about right. All right, we're going to take you on a tour here. In our gallery, you can see the rocks that we've scanned. Let's bring this back just so you can see this a bit better. If you look here, among the items on the menu here, you have how many scans. We had one free scan that we used before we went premium. You have common, uncommon, rare, very rare, and ultra rare. So as you are scanning away, you can find out how valuable and how rare the items you've scanned are. You can see here that we scanned an ametrine. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. We did that free, or for free. That was part of the free scans. And you can see there that it says uncommon. So already we have a nice item in our collection here. We're going to focus in a bit better so you can see that. There you are. You see it says uncommon. So we're going to bring this back down to our desk, and we're going to start using it. Now again, we're in the studio, so we're not out in the field. But if you were in the field, then you could just use these scan facilities here. So we're going to go on in. We're going to get out of here by tapping on back. We're going to go with scan rock, and you can see that we're in position to scan already. However, we're going to select something from our library, and you can see that we downloaded quite a few rocks. So let's take a look at some of them, shall we? All right, so it's analyzing the rock. You can see that it's doing its work, and look at that. So whether or not you can see that, we're going to read that to you. It says here, basaltic scoria, volcanic rock. This is the bubbly, lightweight aftermath of a fiery volcanic temper tantrum. Its low density means that it can float on water briefly. So we have the rarity here. You can see, I'm going to bring this close up. You get quite a bit of information here. We have the estimated value, $1 to $10, luster, dull and earthy, streak, white, a faint whisper, hardiness or hardness, that's 5.5 to 6, tough as old boots, colors, charcoal gray to black, the transparency, you get that information right there. It says opaque, composition, primarily silicates, rich in iron and magnesium, formation, rapid cooling of gas, rich volcanic lava, locations, volcanic regions worldwide, uses, landscaping, filtration, lightweight concrete, lava erupted, trapped gases, expanded, creating this airy vesicular texture. And you have the retake, share, and home, so you can even share this any way you want to share it too. So we're going to bring this back down. We'll try another scan. We did one before. We're going to use our focus ring again to make this a lot more focused. There we are. So we're going to go back in and try this one more time with another scan. So we can go home, we can go back if we want to do that. And now we have 2 rocks in our collection. We have the basaltic scoria and we have the ametrine. So we're going to go back in and we're going to try to scan one more this time. We're going to go with this one here. I'm not sure what this is. We downloaded a couple of photos of rocks and gemstones. So it's analyzing the rock. You can see that it's doing its work. And look at that, aquamarine. It says rarity, uncommon. 7.5, tougher than a pocket knife. Estimated value is $50 to $500, depending on size and quality. Color, sky blue to deep sea. Luster, vitreous, glassy and bright. Transparency, transparent to translucent. Streak, white like a whisper of snow. Composition, you have the chemical composition there. We're going to bring this up so you can see it better. We're going to focus on in. And so you get some nice details here. If you are a science buff, if you're doing something in chemistry, for example, we can see this coming handy in schools. Of course, you have down here, you have your formation. It says here, pegmatite veins, granite intrusions, and metamorphic rocks. Locations, you get locations around the world, if you can see that. You have Brazil, you have Pakistan, you have Madagascar and Nigeria. Uses, jewelry, ornamental stones, and collector specimens. Formed deep within the Earth's crust under intense heat and pressure. So you get quite a bit of information there. Now we are about 6 minutes in, so we don't want this video to go on for too long. But what's really nice is the app does exactly what it says that it does. This will be a useful tool for collectors and science nerds alike. Those who are in school, maybe you're taking a chemistry class, or you're taking an earth science class. Again, this can come in handy with helping you identify different rocks and gemstones. And of course, if you're looking for a treasure in your backyard or wherever you are, this will come in handy. It gives you a nice estimated value, as well as its rarity, whether it's common, uncommon, or really uncommon. So guys, of course you have the location map. We're going to go back here for a second. If you go to the discovery map, you can see that we have some information there, all right, about where we are. Now I'm going to get out of there because we don't want to reveal our location, but you can see where we found our item. We have that blacked out just so you don't see where we are, but you get the idea. Guys, once again, this is a great app. Many uses across the different disciplines. This, once again, is Smart Rock Identifier. It is for the iOS platform. It's by Kaushik Rajan. It's free. You get some in-app purchases. If you want to upgrade to the premium tier, then you can enjoy unlimited scans. If not, then you get up to 3 for free. Guys, let us know what you think about this app below in the comments. Make a response video. Maybe you can use this out in the field. We like this app a lot. Works very well. And it's very informative. We hope you enjoyed this, guys, as much as we did. GiveMeApps is the world's #1 independent app store. Download apps on any platform, and you can even chat in our forums and check out our many overviews of apps and different tech items. We hope you enjoyed this once again. Till next time.